Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siddharth and you are watching my channel Unlimited Coding. So guys, I know that my in my on my channel the videos have not come from 2 weeks. Actually there was some personal problem. So if you I have described that in my previous video. I have tell that in my previous short video one. So you can see that. Okay, so um today we will make today we will make personalized app, like a personalized app. So in this app, i mean I have made this app. So if I will click on we are making this app on thunkable.com. Okay, so I will show you my app, then I will tell you how can you make your app. So I will click on the live.
Hello, welcome to my app. Hello, welcome to my app. Hi, I am Siddharth. I am a certified game developer. I am
So,
studying in grade 5 and I like coding apps and games. I also like to swim and make drawings. You can contact me at asiddharth980@gmail.com. I can help you build great apps and games.
so, so this is my app. You can hear that voice also. So this is my app. These images are not coming properly because there's some problem in this live test. So you have seen my app like this. You can download this app on your mobile phone also. This is a amazing thing. And in my next video I will take a surprise from you, because I have to give a surprise of Diwali. Um, I will not tell that surprise now, but I had to give a surprise of Diwali. Actually, I could not give because some personal problem. So I will give it in the next video. Okay. So now we will make this. Uh, so you will got a. You will get this type of screen: Mike Flynn, game developer, my hobbies, this type. So first I will tell you how to sign in, or I should make a video to sign in the next. Okay, I will tell how to sign in. Just go to x.thunkable.com. What's this? Actually, this project is coming. Okay, so I have already signed in, that's why it's showing like this. When I will click on sign out, this type of page will come. You can sign in with your Google account also. Click just on sign in with Google. Then take your email ID, like I have taken my email ID. Then I have signed in previously also, so it didn't ask for password, but it will ask for password in your account. So just um enter the password. Okay, so I will give the link to operate this one in the description. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so this type of screen will come when you will open the link. Okay, so first you will upload your picture, like like this picture was coming. Just click on this picture and you will go on my app, copy image to profile picture, this one. So just click on this one, and move this bar to up and click on upload files. And from here, just take the file from, where is it? I think I have my pictures here. So just a second, let me take that picture. Just a second, photos. Yes. So I will take this photo. Then it will take a little time to upload. I think some problem is there from this. Okay, click on open. It will upload. It is uploaded, so it will show later on. File upload error, leave it. So in your computer it will show in my computer some problem is coming. So just a second. So his name is Mike Flint. So his name is coming Mike Flint. So you can type your name, like my name is Siddharth. So I will type Siddharth. um See, my picture have come. I have uploaded the picture and the picture came. Okay, so now here I am a game developer, that's why I will type game developer here. Okay, so now here I will type my hobbies. It's already written, do not change this. Okay, so here is written reading. So this is your hobbies. If you like, I like reading, singing. I mean, this is my, I like reading, crafts and art, coding, swimming. So this boy like reading, singing, coding, and cycling. So he have written this, like if I like reading, and here I will write crafts. Just a second. Oh my, this is, yes. Okay, here. After that I will, I mean, let you know how to change the GIFs. Just a second. Here I will write, um I have crafts and art. Okay, I have written crafts and art. So I have capital, I have by mistake write in capital, so you can write in small. So if your you can write your hobbies, your choice. So I like coding also, and I like swimming. So I will type here swimming. Yes, so just a second. Swimming. What's this? I think some problem in my system. Just a second. Yes. Uh, okay. So I have written swimming here. So font size you can increase from here. Like if I want 15, so I will increase to 15. Number of lines, this is advanced. So this will, I will tell you in the the videos that will be coming. So this is ready. So now we will add blocks to it, like you have heard that this one is was saying hello, welcome to my app. um, Text to speech, this I taught you in the scratch. If you have not seen that videos, the link is in description, and the playlist are also made. So hello, welcome to my app. Here is written, hi, I am Mike Flint. So my name is not Mike Flint, so I will type here Siddharth. Just a second. Siddharth. And guys, comment me, can I teach you Excel also? So um, comment in the description, I mean the comment box. So, and I have made a Discord group and WhatsApp group also. So if you want to join, for that also the link is in the description. So here I've written Siddharth. um just a second. Okay, so I have written Siddharth here. Okay, so here is written I am studying in grade 5. I study in here is written grade 4. So I am studying in grade 5, that's why I will write grade 5. Here is written um just second. Here is written I like coding apps and games. I also like coding apps and games. That's why I will not change this. I also like to sing, read, and cycle. So I don't like to sing and cycle. I like reading. I like to read and read and just a second. Oh, my system. Okay. Uh, like to read and to swim. Okay. So okay, so here is written his Gmail, mikeflynn@gmail.com. It's not compulsory to type your Gmail. If you have any Gmail, so you can type like I have. So I will write my Gmail. Okay, so that's my Gmail also. Okay, so um okay, what's this matter, I think. Okay, my Gmail is like this. uh, okay, okay, I have written my Gmail finally. Here is written I can help you build great apps and games. So I am teaching you how to make great apps and games. So I will not change this. You can change this from your choice and take blocks here from here: control, logic, math, etc, etc. Okay, so now I will go on design. I have uploaded my picture, and these all are the I mean, what I will say, these GIFs. So now I will tell you how from where you can take the GIFs. Guys, I was telling that how to upload GIFs. So just I will give the link in the description to go on this website. Just go on this website and type here like I want to take art art one. So I will type art. What's this? I think just a second, art. Okay, now I will click on enter. So these all are coming art one. So I had just a second. uh, I like this one, so I will take this one image because a lot of good images are coming in this one, professional images. So I will click on save image as. Then I will go on the I mean desktop that I need, like desktop, and click on save. Then I think this is saved. Yeah, this is saved. What's this name? I think. Okay, so now I'll go on the Thunkable where we were designing, and here I will just upload this file. Upload files. 201. I could not. Yes, this one. Okay, I'll click on open. Now just let me upload the swimming one. Just a second. Here is written asset added. So that means the photo is added, but we can't see it because some network problem is there. So I have uploaded the swimming one also. What's this file? Upload error. We should take another one because some error is coming. Swimming. Okay, from here we will take this swimming. Save image, copy image, no, save image as desktop. Okay, now I will save it. Yes, it's save. 200 to this the name. Okay, so just select this 202, then click on open. So just a second, just let me see that's coming or not. So guys, when you will upload, if your network will be good, so it will upload fastly. So after this, uh, my also is uploaded, but I can't see because my net is slow. So now we will, just a second, now we will click on download, and click on download an Android app, because this is, you are going to download this app for Android. So you will download from here, and after that, um, after that, just a second, just click on download app. Downloading started from my app copy. So the downloading would be started in, I mean, your app, like in my app it would be started. So just a second, I think some problem is there. Okay. Okay, so just a second. Sometimes the Android built servers would be busy. That's why you can't, I mean, download sometimes. So it's busy right now. That's why I could not download, I think. So let me go on my projects again. Yes. Okay. Now my swimming GIF has come. See, I have taken the swimming GIF from there, and it is uploading also. So coding also came. Craft and art would be coming also. So okay guys, this was my video to make unpersonalized app. So just click on just a second. Okay, so some problem is there of this downloading. Okay, so in my the server is not free. That's, I mean, the server is not free, it's busy a lot. That's why I could not download right now. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe my channel, and I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.